What's up, you guys? This is your boy. I'm rubbing my eye, it hurt, you know what I'm saying? This is your boy JB back with another video. In this video, I was hesitant to do this video. To be totally honest and transparent with you guys, I was hesitant to do this video. And let's talk about the CLA Epic. And I'm just gonna show you, it's more like a review, but at first I thought it was trash. Just straight barn trash, you know, like no way. That's a waste of money because everybody got reverbs, delays that they can use. Why do we need this, right? But through every trash, one man's trash is another man's treasure, and I definitely believe that. So again, I'm not gonna trash it. I found a little treasure inside of it, right? So I'm gonna show you a quick workflow that you can use with the CLA Epic in Pro Tools, Logic, and you can step inside of my mind frame when I use this plugin. So first and foremost, make sure you guys like, subscribe, hit the notification. I really appreciate if you hit the like button. It helps me out tremendously on YouTube, you guys. Yes, I'm begging. You hear it? Don't you hear it? Don't you hear the tears in my eyes? I'm begging. I don't even beg like that with my girl, but make sure you do that for me, guys. So let's get straight into this video. All right, so here we go. Take a listen to the vocals, background vocals. This is Cash. The name of the song is Strong. It's not out yet. I'm still working on it. Take a listen.
I finally got my own. I've been working for a long time. Can't say I'm in the wrong. It's the reason why I keep having these hard times. I ain't have a dime to my name. Hot and dodging on planes. I was so running crying in the rain. Public eye, I was hiding my shame. Nowadays I'ma ride in my lane. All white on me, nigga, ain't a stain. Play it safe for a nigga, bust your brain. Joystick on me, nigga, this a game. And I'ma switch it up for my bad bitches. And I'ma switch it up for my bad bitches.
All right, so as you can hear, you got the verse going into a bridge. Everything sounds pretty dry, as you can hear. I mean, yeah, it's dry. Dry meaning that there's no like delay reverb effects. That's what I mean by dry. All right, but traditionally, what I normally do if I want to add some delay, some reverb to it, I have sends. If you look to the left side of the screen, but I have like reverb A, B, C, and D. I have some, delays, some ping pong. I got all of my effects sitting over here. They all different channels, right? But I was thinking, with this Epic plugin, it's pretty much all of these in one plugin. Let's try this. So this is my lead vocal, right?
I finally got my own. I've been working for a long time. Can't say I'm in the wrong.
All right, so that's the lead. I want some delay and reverb on this, but I don't want the exact same on my bridge and on my background. So let's try this. Let's make a new one, and we're gonna call it the Epic Leads. Yeah, Epic Leads. All right, boom. Bring the track up, and we are gonna send it 100%, yo, 100. And let's do the routing right quick inside of my session. Let's do the routing. So let's put the Epic on here. Boom, this is what that baby looked like. And first glance, this thing looks so intimidating. Like, what? I see something I need to do. What? This thing looks so intimidating. It's like so much. But again, it's pretty much, if you look at it, 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D. It's pretty much the same thing as having reverb A, reverb B, C, and D, the throw, and my delays, right? So on the left hand side, the blue side is your delays. The red side are all your reverb. So let's kind of click on each one of them, see what they have to offer. So 1, tape. 2 is a throw. 3 is slap. Crowd. Cool. Then you have a plate, room, hall, space. Typically everything that you normally would use, right? Yeah. Then you have your high pass, your low pass on each one. You have your mute, you have your solos on each one. You have your faders, you have your in and out of the plugin. Your dry wet here, so you can parallel. And then this mute thing right here is pretty much like an SSL, because you'll get fooled when you see that you would typically think, oh, when it's up and lit like this, that is on, but it's backwards, you guys. Let's get straight into it. So if this is the lead, right? I got it on my lead. Now that we kind of familiar with the plugin, and you can see that it have parameters inside of here. You got your sync, you can change the timing, your feedback, you can offset it, you got your outs, and you can kind of send your delay to your reverb. You don't have to do all your routing. The routing is already done right here. Again, it looks intimidating, but if you use auxiliaries for your effects and understand routing, this is not intimidating at all. So let's start off. Let's take a listen. Let's see what we got. Off the rip. Let's go. Let's bring everything down. So you got tape. What is this? A throw, a slap. So I want to start with a slap.
I finally got my own. I've been working for a long time. Can't say I'm in the wrong. It's the reason why I keep having these hard times.
I like that. Let's go.
I finally got my own. I've been working for a long time. Can't say I'm in the wrong. It's the reason why I keep having these hard times. I ain't have a dime to my name. Hot and dodging the planes. All
right, cool. Let's add in, just because we're there, let's add in a little plate.
I finally got my own. I've been working for a long time. Can't say I'm in the wrong. It's the reason why I keep having these hard times. I ain't have a dime to my name. Hot and dodging the planes. I was so running, crying in the rain. Public eye, I was hiding my shame. Nowadays I'ma ride in my lane. All white on me, nigga, ain't a stack. I finally got my own. I've been working for a long time. Can't say I'm in the wrong. It's the reason why I keep having these hard times.
Nice, right? All right. So now in one instance, I already have my slap and my plate right going on. Let's keep playing with it.
I finally got my own. I've been working for a long time. Can't say I'm in the wrong. It's the reason why I keep having these hard times. I ain't have a dime to my name. Hot and dodging the planes. I was so running, crying in the rain. Public eye, I was hiding my shame. Nowadays I'ma ride in my lane. All white on me, nigga, ain't a stain. Play it safe for a nigga, bust your brain. Joystick on me, nigga, this a game. I finally got my own. I've been working for a long time. Can't say I'm in the wrong. It's the reason why I keep having these hard times.
All right, so some throws. Let's go with a fourth. Let's see what that sounds like.
I finally got my own. I've been working for a long time. I finally got my own. I've been working for a long time. Can't say I'm in the wrong. It's the reason why I keep having these hard times. I ain't have a dime to my name. Hot and dodging the planes. I was so running, crying in the rain. Public eye, I was hiding my shame. Nowadays I'ma ride in my lane. All white on me, nigga, ain't a stain. Play it safe for a nigga, bust your brain. Joystick.
Let's dial that back a little bit.
I finally got my own. I've been working for a long time. Can't say I'm in the wrong. It's the reason why I keep having these hard times. I ain't have a dime to my name. Hot and dodging the planes. I was so running, crying in the rain. Public
All right, so I wish there was a way. I'm learning it as I go, you guys. I wonder if I do this, will it do both of them at the same time? Hey now.
I finally got my own. I've been working for a long time. Can't say I'm in the wrong.
All right, so with this throw, all right, let me show you something else though with this. I know with this throw, I can send it to, I want to send it to that plate, which is A, right? So let's send it to the plate.
I finally got my own. I've been working for a long time.
That's nice. Hey, that's nice. Check that out.
I finally got my own. I've been working for a long time. Can't say I'm in the wrong. It's the reason why I keep having these hard times. I ain't have a dime to my name. Hiding, dodging the planes. I was so running, crying in the rain. Public eye, I was hiding my shame. Nowadays I'ma ride in my lane. All white on me, nigga, ain't a...
Cool. All right, so what else we have on here? We got a haul. Would I use a haul on the man? No, I wouldn't. So now we got the lead, right?
I finally got my own. I've been working for a long time.
So let's work on these background vocals.
I finally got my own. I've been working for a long time.
All right, so these are the backgrounds. So we'll just send it to a track. Let's make a new one. So we'll call it the Epic backgrounds. Y'all like my sinister laugh? All right, boom. Epic backgrounds, zero it out. Boom. Bring that baby down here. Highlight these two. We're going to change the color, make sure they sync. And we are going to get the output correct. All right, so now we know it in the same spot. Drag this over. We're cheating, and we're going to reset it. Boom. All right, so the backgrounds. Let's check this out. Let's actually kind of focus in on those as well.
I finally got my own. For a long time. In a row. Why I keep having these hard times. Down to my name. Down to the place. Crying in the rain. Hide in my shame. Ain't a stain. It's a brain. It's a game. Finally got my own.
So I'm gonna get like 16. That mug is huge. That mug is huge. All right, so let's add some crowd to it. All right, so I don't want to do this without it being in context.
I finally got my own. I've been working for a long time. Can't say I'm in the wrong. It's the reason why I keep having these hard times. I ain't have a dime to my name. Hiding, dodging the planes. I was so running, crying in the rain. Public eye, I was hiding my shame. Nowadays I'ma ride in my lane. All white on me, nigga, ain't a stain. Nigga say for a nigga, bust your brain. I finally got my own. I've been working for a long time. Can't say I'm in the wrong. It's the reason why I keep having these hard times. I ain't have a dime to my name.
Should we do an 8? It sounds cool. It's all right.
I finally got my own. I've been working for a long time. Can't say I'm in the wrong. It's the reason why I keep having these hard times. I ain't have a dime to my name. Hiding, dodging the planes. I was so running, crying in the rain. Public eye, I was hiding my shame.
Yeah, voila. Like, it is what it is. Like, you see how it's pretty easy. Now I did all of that. This is in total honesty. As you can see, this will be 1, 2, 3, 4 different inserts, right, that I would have had to pull up in one send. So that would have took up 1, 2, 3, 4 inserts under my sends, but I did it with one. You get it? I did it with one. One is doing all of that. It's taking a lot of that load off. All right, so let's try with these backgrounds. Let's pull these in the bridge area.
Dick on me, nigga, this a game. Yeah, and I'ma switch it up for my baby J. Yeah, and I'ma switch it up for my baby J.
Voila. That easy, you guys. That easy. So, trash? Nah. Useful? Yeah. Will I use it? Occasionally. Do I recommend you guys spend your last $30 on it? No. Nah. I'm not going to sell it to you guys. But it is definitely a dope plugin. If you like what you see, test it out. If it works for you guys, add it to your toolbox. Don't just spend money just to spend money. But this is fire. I can do the same thing because I already have it in my template. So yeah, this is useful. So I'm not, again, I can't, I'm on the fence with this plugin, you guys. I'm definitely on the fence with it. And yeah, that's the best thing I can say. I'm on the fence with it, and I don't want to just upsell anything to you guys. And as you can hear, it works.
Dick on me, nigga, this a game. Yeah, and I'ma switch it up for my baby J.
It works. It does its job. And so to me, this plugin is a luxury. You don't really need it. It's a luxury. So there it is, you guys. The CLA Epic. Great plugin. Nice addition to the Waves collection. But that's my opinion. That is my opinion. So I hope this helped you out, you guys. So remember, mixing is an art. Be you. Stay true. Your boy is out. Well, I ain't out. I'm finna take replay out for a walk.